Welcome to our tutorial on how to mark a channel as unread on Telegram on PC with the new update. Follow these simple steps to stay organized and never miss an important message again. First, open your Telegram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, navigate to the channel you want to mark as unread. Next, hover your mouse over the channel name and click on the downward arrow symbol, that appears next to it. Alternatively, you can right-click on the channel name to access the drop-down menu. Now, in the drop-down menu, select the option, Mark as Unread. This action will change the status of the channel to unread, making it easier for you to keep track of messages that you haven't read yet. And that's it. You've successfully marked a channel as unread on Telegram on your PC. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your messages and prioritize your communication on the platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on how to make the most out of your messaging apps. Thank you for watching.